Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're eagerly waiting for that new pair of sneakers or the latest fashion finds from Zappos, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to track your Zappos order in 2025 feet because let's face it, in this fast-paced world, you want to know exactly when your goodies are arriving. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to Zappos, this quick guide will have you tracking like a pro. First things first, head over to the Zappos website or open their app on your phone. It's super user-friendly, and by 2025, they've made it even smarter with AI integrations for real-time updates. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, navigate to the My Account section, usually found at the top right corner. Look for Order History or Track Orders. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Select the order you want to track, and voila, you'll get all the details. Zappos partners with major carriers like UPS, FedEx, or USPS, so you'll see a tracking number right there. Click on it to go to the carrier's site for live updates, or stay on Zappos for their enhanced 2025 features, like estimated delivery times based on traffic patterns or weather. Pretty cool, right? If you run into any issues, like if your order status isn't updating, double-check your email for confirmation details or contact Zappos customer service. They're known for their top-notch support and can help resolve things fast. And there you have it. Tracking your Zappos order is straightforward and stress-free. Give it a try next time you shop, and you'll never be left wondering. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-savvy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.